In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Payoneer bank account with Stripe. This walkthrough will make managing your finances smoother and more efficient. Perfect if you're working with international payments and want to streamline your processes. So let's dive right in and get started. First, we're going to begin by navigating directly to the Stripe website. You want to ensure you're logged into your account, of course. To do this, open your preferred web browser and type in stripe.com. This will take you to the main page. If you've got your login credentials ready from a previous session, that'll streamline things. But if not, go ahead and log in using your details. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll notice they've done a nice job of laying everything out intuitively. Now that you're logged in, let's proceed to the balances section. You can find this by looking for a menu on the left side of the dashboard. Clicking on it brings you to a new screen where you'll see options related to your current balance and other financial tools designed to keep you organized. What you're looking for here is the Add Bank Account option. It should be quite straightforward to find. Selecting this option will prompt you to input additional bank details and verify your banking information. At this stage, make sure you have your Payoneer bank account details ready. Inputting these details is crucial for the integration to work smoothly. Carefully enter the required information, like your bank account number and any other relevant details, ensuring everything is correct to avoid any disruptions in connecting your accounts. Double-checking at this step is always wise. You want to ensure there are no typos or errors that could complicate your transactions later on. After you've entered all the necessary information, you can proceed to finalize the process. Depending on the specifics of your account, you might need to go through a quick verification process by Stripe to confirm all details are accurate and linked appropriately. This keeps your account secure and your personal information protected, which is always a top priority in online financial settings. And just like that, you're done. Not only have you successfully linked your Payoneer account to Stripe, but you've also set yourself up for more efficient financial management moving forward. This process simplifies moving funds, making payouts, and maintaining an easy overview of your transactions. I hope you found this guide helpful. Keeping your digital financial tools integrated well can make a significant difference in handling your transactions, saving you both time and effort. Be sure to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.